Hi everyone, my name is Rhonda. Today I will be going over my assessment plan for a first grade math lesson. The unit is Number and Operations in Base 10. The content standards: compare two two-digit numbers based on meanings of the tens and ones digits, recording the results of comparisons with the symbols greater than, equal to, and less than. Deconstructed standard: compare two two-digit numbers, record results of comparisons with the symbols. Learning intentions: students will understand how to use the symbols when comparing, how to compare two two-digit numbers, and how to explain verbally and visually which two two-digit numbers are greater than, equal to, or less than. By the end of this lesson, students will show how they know which two two-digit numbers are greater by using manipulatives or the crocodile. They will understand, by the end of the lesson, they will show they understand what each symbol means by comparing numbers. The assessment: formative assessment strategy will be used during the middle and end of the lesson. This assessment will help me understand which students understood the lesson and which student needs extra help. Charlie the Crocodile: students will make their own crocodile using a template. They will use this crocodile to help compare two two-digit numbers. I will let them know that the crocodile only eats the bigger number. I will give the students an independent form that they will have to complete during some part of the lesson to assess what they have learned. They may use the crocodile they made to help guide them. This will help me understand who is understanding the lesson before moving on. I will use the rubric to grade this paper. Independent practice assessment: students will use the form shown below to self-assess. They will pull from a set of note cards that have the numbers from 10 to 99. Students will pull two different cards and write the numbers on the form. They will have to determine which number is less than, greater than, or equal to. This will help me understand if the students understand the new vocabulary words. This form can also be laminated so that students can use a whiteboard marker so that they can erase their work and pull two different cards. End of the lesson. At the end of the lesson, I will assess the students by first writing an expression on the whiteboard, and the students will have to either agree or disagree with the statement. If the students agree, they will put a thumbs up. If they disagree, they will put a thumbs down. Students will also have to explain their reasoning. Second, in order for the students to exit the classroom, they will have to write down an expression using the signs. This will help me check for understanding. Lastly, the rubric. My rubric has two categories: math errors and completion. As you can see, under 4, there are no math errors and all problems are completed. 3, there are 1 or 2 math errors. All but 1 or 2 problems are completed. 2, there are a handful of math errors and a handful of problems are not completed. And under 1, none of the problems are correct and the assessment form is not completed. That is all. Thank you for listening.